Hello students, welcome to Sourav Sir Classes. Today we will be solving the NBHM PhD Scholarship Exam questions which came in the January 2018 paper. We will be solving questions which came in the section 5, which is the miscellaneous section of the paper. Let's start off with the question. The question that we will be solving today is question number 6 from section 5. In this question we need to find out the lengths of the semi-axis of the ellipse 5x square minus 8xy plus 5y square is equal to 1. So we need to find out the length of the semi-axis of the ellipse 5x square minus 8xy plus 5y square equal to 1. So let's proceed with the question. Now for this question, what we'll try to do, we'll try to take some general equation of an ellipse of this form. So if ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 1 represents an ellipse, then that implies that ab minus h square is greater than 0. This is the condition for this particular equation to be an ellipse. Okay, this is the condition. Also if we need to find out the length of major and minor axis, then we need to consider the equation which is given by a minus 1 by r square into b minus 1 by r square, which is equal to h square. This is the equation that we need to consider, and then we need to solve for r square to find out the length of the, basically r will give us the length of the semi major and the semi minor axis. We need to double those amounts to get the major axis and the minor axis. But whatever, this r basically is the length of semi axis that we can write for sure, semi axis r. Okay, so this is the equation. So now in this equation we have been given that 5x square minus 8xy plus 5y square is equal to 1 here. So therefore here a equal to b is equal to 5 and h is equal to minus of 4. So upon replacing these values in this very equation that we know, this will give us 5 minus 1 by r square into 5 minus 1 by r square is equal to h square, that is minus 4 whole square, that will be equal to 16. So we can write down as 5 minus 1 by r square whole square minus of 4 whole square, and that is equal to 0. So now this will come down as 5 minus 1 by r square plus 4 into 5 minus 1 by r square minus of 4, and the product of those will be equal to 0. So this will come down to 9 minus 1 by r square and 1 minus 1 by r square equal to 0. So therefore we can write that 1 by r will be equal to 3 minus 3, 1 and minus 1. Okay, so therefore if 1 by r is equal to these values, then r will be equal to 1 by 3 minus of 1 by 3, 1 and minus of 1. Now we know that length cannot be negative. So therefore r is equal to 1 by 3 and 1, since r cannot be less than 0 or it cannot be negative. Okay, so therefore the length of this value is nothing, r equal to 1 by 3 and r equal to 1 is nothing but the length of semi axis. Okay, so 1 by 3 and 1 is the required answer. So today we have solved a question which came in the section 5 of the miscellaneous section of NBHM PhD Scholarship Exam, which was conducted in 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sourav Sir Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.